Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Today we are unboxing and trying out Olayks multifunctional breakfast machine. It's a sandwich maker, it's a waffle maker, it's a bread toaster. You guys, if you have kids going away to college, this is going to be perfect for them. And if you don't have kids going away to college, then this is just going to be a functional device that you can add to your kitchen without having a waffle maker, a sandwich maker, or even a toaster. This machine does it all. It is very versatile. It does come with 2 changeable plates and super easy to clean. We do love appliances that are very easy to clean. So let's get into the actual appliance here. So that little safety lock opens up, and there you have 2 plates already in here. These 2 you'll use for toasting your bread or cooking an egg, frying an egg. That's your on button. Once you are plugged in, it lights up, and then you have a timer on here. So once you set it on the timer, it actually dings when it goes off. So let's remove one of those plates. Easy to remove. And we're going to affix the waffle pull back, and then it just slides in place. Pretty much that's it. Let's quickly add the other one as well. Then you get waffles. Interesting. I also need to mention that the plates are non-stick ceramic. All right, the machine does have like a little feet. It's elevated basically. So when you put it on the surface, it is not flat onto the surface, so it is not damaging the surface. It does come with the 1-pager manual that tells you, how to use the machine, how to clean the machine, which it's, like I said before, it's very easy to clean. Non-stick. This little notice says a small amount of white smoke would have appeared when you're using it for the first time, and I did see that. Look at your plug, just to show you it is a very sturdy appliance. So let's get into trying these out. We're going to start with a sandwich, and of course, if we're going to start with a sandwich, I'm going to use cheese, real cheese, the Jamaican cheese. Now, if you know anything about Taste's cheese, then you know. All right, so I'm going to get some out of here. I'm going to put it on a regular slice of bread, and then we're just gonna put it on the machine. Before we do that, however, you'll need to preheat your machine. So I've plugged it in. Once you've plugged it in, the light will come on, and you don't need to preheat for more than 2 minutes to 2.5 minutes. So once it's done, it will go off. It will make a ding. All right, so I'm gonna be using this chosen avocado oil spray before I put the bread in here, but really I feel like I didn't even need to do that. All right, I have sprayed my oil on here a little bit too much, and I am going to remove the excess from the top portion, because when I close it, that's going to go onto the black portion, and we don't want that. So in we go, and we're just gonna put it on. I want to say I placed it for about 8 minutes or so, and once it's done, it's going to make that sound, and that's pretty much it. It's nothing that you have to maneuver. You have to stand over it and watch like that. So after it went off, guys, the sandwich is ready. Or the grilled cheese. Some people might call this grilled cheese. It could have been in here a little bit longer. It's hot. It could have stayed a little bit longer, but the cheese is not completely melted. But listen to that. Alright, so while I take a bite of that, look, see, there's not much cleaning to do, like once you're done. So we're going to try something else in here just to see. It's still warm. So we're going to try an egg, and then we're going to make waffles too. Alright, so the machine is closed and we are waiting. Let's go. I'm excited. Okay. So I think the white on the top portion of the egg is because the top plate was touching the egg. So that's totally okay. If you don't like your egg sort of sunny side up, you can leave it a little bit longer and get the desired texture of the eggs that you like. Because I know a lot of people do not like to have the egg runny. That's how I like it, but you can choose to leave it in there for longer. And then when you leave it in there for longer, the egg will come out looking something like this. So here's another way. The sunny side egg is all done, as you can see on the plate. But this, you can have it harder if you'd like, but the egg is not burnt. I remember having a sandwich maker when I was in college, but all it could do was make a sandwich. So this is going to be a multifunctional cooker, a little mini itty bitty cooker. If you leave it to the college people, they'll probably cook whatever. So we clean this off real quickly, and we're also going to try waffles. All right, so quickly we are going to change out the plates, and then we will need to preheat. After we preheat, I'm gonna spray here one more time, and then we're gonna add our waffles. And they're not boring either. I added food coloring just to change the color of it. Zonny likes to have it this way when she does. If you are loving this multifunctional waffle sandwich maker as much as we are, check the description box for the link and go shop one for yourself. And look at that, we've got perfect waffles.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.